on, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you are catching me live, you will see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. And again, I would love to chat right here on Facebook with you. If you're catching me on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And you guys, if you love this video and you love these products, please make sure you share my video. It's the greatest compliment you could give me. So hey guys, welcome. Happy Thursday. I'm excited to be here with you tonight. I'm actually excited to do this project today. I need to give credit to one of the designers on my team. Her name is Nikki. She created this really cute little project and I asked her if I would be able to share and she said yes. So I cannot wait to do this project for you today. I'm so excited. So for those of you that are new, let me just tell you, this is a company that is called Chalk Couture. So do you see all these gorgeous projects around me? These are things that I have created either at local workshops that I've held. Hey Wendy, welcome. Or Facebook Lives that I have done, but they are all done using these amazing Chalk Couture products. So real quick, let me tell you what this is. So Chalk Couture is a DIY home decor crafting business, and you cannot find your products anywhere else except through designers like myself. Hey Susan, welcome. We offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste and we have Couture inks. We do have several surfaces like chalkboards, boxwood frames, but you can use this on wood, tin, canvas, glass, dry erase board, t-shirts, pillowcases, dish towels, totes. You guys, the list can go on and on of all the DIY home decor and accessories that you can make. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is this amazing business opportunity. You guys, this is a home business and it is so amazing. This is the kit that we have available. There are 8 transfers, 5 chalk paste, 2 surfaces, your squeegee, your apron, your catalog, all your business supplies you need to get this business up and running. And then we have over 200 different designs. We have like 38 chalk paste. We have over 30 inks. You guys, it is an amazing opportunity. And real exciting news is not only is this available in the US, but this is also available in Canada. So if you are interested in learning more about the opportunity, please reach out to me. You are welcome to comment on this live here. You can comment info or kit, or if you want to reach out to me privately, you are welcome to do that. So right here on my page, or my name is Jennifer Jones, which is my personal here. I'll put my contact information up there for you. You can find me on Facebook, shoot me an email or a text, you guys. I would love to answer any questions you have about Chalk Couture. So, real excited to do this project. I cannot wait. Let me get that off my screen there. You guys, so cute. Like, so adorable. I cannot wait to do this project. So, this is a 8.5 by 5.5 tag that I cut out from just some leftover scraps I had here. I'm sure you could buy these online, but like I said, I did cut mine. As you can see, it's not perfect. Totally okay. Hey, Melissa, welcome. This is just a washer that I purchased at Lowe's. You can buy these. Here, let me show you. These are like washers that you can buy at Lowe's. And I glued that on with some glue. This is just some twine that I tied up the top, and I've totally got this cute little tag, right? Super cute. Now, I do have some ribbon. I have a little bit of cork. I'm going to be using our chalk paste. I'm going to be using glitter. Okay, sorry. I love glitter. I don't like glitter because it makes a mess, but I love glitter. So, and then obviously I have my squeegees, my stir sticks, and these amazing silk screen transfers that we offer from Chalk Couture. So on the back of all of our transfer, you guys, it tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. All of our transfers are reusable. So when you're done, you stick them in a little tub of water, nothing fancy, tub of water. You wipe them off with a Clorox wipe, just like this. And then you let them air dry, and you usually can get 8 to 10 uses out of one of these transfers. So how awesome is that? I mean, you could make gifts. This is chalkboard, Susan. So this, again, is just chalkboard. I bought this from Lowe's as well. One thing really nice about the chalkboard at Lowe's, it has chalkboard on the one side and then a whiteboard on the other. So technically, you could probably do something on both sides, but I always tend to use the chalkboard. All right, so the first thing I am going to do is write on the back of my transfer, so I know which side it'll go back on once I clean it. I do need my amazing fuzzing cloth. How's everyone doing today? Anyone doing anything fun today? I'm just going to take my finger on the edge, remove my carrier sheet from the transfer. For me, that's easier. And I'm going to fuzz this up. My husband comes home today, you guys. I'm so excited. I get to see him. I haven't seen him since last week. Yay! I'm going to pick him and Jake up at the airport today. Super, super excited. So I just fuzzed that up. These are our fantastic, amazing, lots of adjectives here. Our fuzzing cloth that we offer at Couture. Love these. They are awesome. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. Sorry, sometimes I like to turn my things a different way. I'm going to take my transfer. I'm going to put it on my surface where I want it. This is so stinking cute for summer. Ah, so cute. And then I'm going to smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in my silk screen. Okay, so everywhere you can see through. Oh, Melissa, you're at work. I go back tomorrow. Yay, Susan, for watching me. Yay, thank you. So I'm just smoothing that out so there's no air bubbles in the silk screen. This outside green over here, you guys, you don't have to press this part down. Like, there's no reason for me to press this down over here. So I'm just worried about where my silk screen is because that's where my chalk paste is going to go. Okay? So now I'm going to be using our Candy Apple Red, our Liberty, and our bright white chalk paste for this design. And then I am going to use a little bit of black. Now your chalk paste, I always open mine because mine are sometimes a little, I don't wipe my edges off sometimes. So I kind of like to open them over a garbage. Your chalk paste should be like a yogurt-like consistency. Okay, so what you want to do when you get your chalk paste, you open them, you get one of these amazing stir sticks, and you stir it up. You want to stir it up anyway to get all the pigments and all the color blended really well, so it's the color that you're looking for. But you just want to stir it up and make sure it's a great consistency. If for any reason it's thicker, which this white is a little too thick for me, you just add a little bit of water, and then you just keep stirring till it's that nice yogurt consistency that you want. It's all sunny outside. I cannot wait to go pick up my husband today. I'm in a good mood because he's coming home. I do not like sleeping in my house without my husband. I just don't like it. I don't know. This one looks really good. And Jake's coming home because he's going to be going to the prom. The prom is this weekend. So lots and lots and lots of stuff going on. Red. My red is always a good consistency. Candy apple. And then, like I said, I am going to be using a little bit of the bark on this project as well. So I just want to stir that up. Now the chalk paste, just so you guys know, your chalk paste, if it is unopened, it's usually good for a year. If it's unopened, it's good for a year. Once you open it, they should be good for 6 months. Okay? All right, so let's get this project started. I'm excited. And then I do need one thing I want to do. Let me get this ready. All right, so I've got my ribbon here too. I've got to put this off to the side. All right, so I got to get my glitter ready. I'm nervous about the glitter, you guys. I'm not going to lie to you because I am always a mess when it comes to glitter. Ah! And I don't know how to use these little bottles without the whole lid coming off. So I just want to get them open. All right, we're not going to worry about it. Yo, I got it. I got it. I got it. So I've got some glitter here. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to dip my squeegee. Hey, Mary Lynn, welcome. Dip my squeegee right in my chalk paste using the angled edge, and then I'm just scraping it across my silkscreen area, you guys. Doesn't matter if you go up or down, left or right. Just scrape it across your silkscreen, remove any excess, put it back in the jar. Go into my white. My gosh, I love red, white, and blue. Like, I swear, I love red, white, and blue. Everybody loved the flag that we did yesterday, too. Oh, I got so many compliments on that flag. Red, white, and blue. Okay, excess back in the jar. My little bit of blue. Very gorgeous blue color. Thank you, Nikki, for sharing this idea with me. I just think it's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to go like that. All right, now here's the kicker. Okay, I'm going to remove this off of here. Okay, so I'm just peeling from top to bottom. Oh my gosh, you guys, super, super cute. I'm setting this off to the side because I still have to do my stick, but I need to get the glitter on. You need to make sure if you're using glitter that you get it on before your chalk paste dries. Okay, so you pour your glitter on. And like I said, you got to do it before the chalk paste dries, you guys. Ah, this one's not coming out as good. So I'm just applying the glitter right on there. Oh, I made a mess. See? Oh, I made a mess with the glitter already. This is why you don't allow me to have glitter. Okay. Now I've got the glitter on there. What you need to do is you need to like just tap it down into your chalk paste. Okay. Just tap it down into your chalk paste. Wow, it's still wet. I can't believe I spilled glitter all over myself there. All over my table. This is why Jen doesn't play with glitter. Hey, Jen, welcome. Thanks for popping on. All right, so I got that all over there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this to my garbage can and I'm going to dump this in and tap it off. I'm going to take a little brush. Oh, guys, wait till you see. I can't show. Oh, don't look. Don't look. Let me just get that little bit of excess off. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Sorry, guys, hold on. I'll show you here in a second. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Oh, guys, look how cute. Hello. Who doesn't love it? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, sorry. All right, so now what I want to do is my little stick over here. So this is just a piece of corkboard. You can buy this at any local craft store, just a little piece of corkboard. I'm just going to put this on here like this for my stick. And smooth that out. I'm going to take a little bit of my bark and I'm just going to run it over that. Okay. Oh, excess back in the jar. And let me remove my transfer from here. Oh, darn it. I don't want that on the paper. Okay. Ta-da! There's my little stick. I put my transfer in my water. Susan, you can. If you want to make your design permanent, then yes, you would seal it. If you don't want to make it permanent, then you don't have to. This way you can wash it off if you want to. That's entirely up to you. But the glitter will stay there. Sorry, I'm just wiping the glitter I have all over my table off. The glitter will stay there until you wipe it off. Okay, so now The only thing I want to do, you guys, I want to hit this with my hair dryer. So I'm just going to hit this with the hair dryer off to the side. See if this, just like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so stinking cute. Oh, is that so cute? Okay, sorry. I'm very excited. I'm going to cut this out with just a fancy pair of scissors here. They're not fancy. They're regular scissors, you guys. I'm just being silly. Cut that out. You know what I didn't get? Stinker that I am. I need my little, sorry guys, I gotta get up for 1 second. It's right behind me here. I need to get my double-sided tape. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna flip this over. So there you go. There's my little stick that I made using a piece of cork in the transfer. I'm gonna put some double-sided tape on here. Yeah, I always overdo it with the double-sided tape. I'm not going to lie to you. Always. I'm going to stick that right on there. Super cute, right? Look how cute so far. And then I'm just going to get a little bit of ribbon. So this is just regular ribbon from the craft store. You would just take it and cut it and tie it in a knot. Okay, nothing fancy. You just tie it in a cute little knot. Just like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of glue of my little, you know what, this one I'm actually going to use, I think I'm going to use a little glue dot. It might be easier with my little glue dot. I'm going to stick this right on the back of that. And then I'm going to stick it right to the little stick right there. And then you've got your cute little popsicle stick, you guys. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. The things that you can do and create using Chalk Couture products. How cute is that? This would be a fun workshop, you guys. So if anybody here is local to me in New Jersey, I would love to come do this as a workshop with you. It would be quick and this would be a nice, fun girls' afternoon or girls' evening out on the back porch, little bit of mimosa, whatever you want to do. You guys, how sweet would that be? And how cute is that going to look either on your porch or in your kitchen? So you guys, I hope you loved this cute little project. The chalk paste and the transfer is available right on my website. Obviously, you'd have to purchase the glitter separately if you're doing it on your own. But you guys, so fun and so easy to do. I mean, I don't know about you, but look how awesome that looks with that glitter. Isn't that amazing? So if you love this, again, the greatest compliment you could give me is a share. If you want to be a part of my VIP group where I am going to be offering a virtual workshop with this design, please comment VIP, you guys. And if you have any questions about the business opportunity about Chalk Couture, please reach out to me. Again, I would love to answer any of those questions for you. So you guys, thanks so much for sticking around and watching today. And I will chalk with you soon, guys. Have a great afternoon.